everyone, I am here to film my advent calendar. This one is the Harry Potter advent calendar that Creativity and Ink set up. And I just wanted to quick show you some of the packaging. It was in a really nice little box. And then when you opened it up, you had your Hogwarts letter on top, which was like very special and, you know, kind of giving you a little welcome to the box. And then it had my name on the front, which was very nice. And then we had this very cute Deathly Hallows pin, you know, just a normal little clasp. And then all of the days were bundled up with string, and then the stickers saying what day they are. So obviously I'm a little behind because I'm already on to day 4, but I was out of town this weekend, so I'm kind of catching up all in one fell swoop. But the first thing we had in day 1's envelope, we had 2 different items. The first one was going to be this little like TN bookmark, and it has the dough with the lightning bolt and then some gems, or I guess beads, on the side. Very pretty there. And then we have some die cuts from J. Plans. So we have some cute little ornaments in different sizes and colors. Then we have After All This Time Always, and actually I think these are on sticker paper, I'm pretty sure. So I think you might be able to stick them onto your planner. If not, they're just a die cut. But then we have the cute little washi and another ornament. And then we have this one, which is Birdie Bot's Every Flavor Beans, which is very cute. So that was in envelope number 1. Then for day 2, we had another 2 items. The first one is this little notepad. It says Wizard Notes, and it has like the little Deathly Hallows and lightning bolts going across it. It's very cute and very just nice little notepad. The only thing with cute little notepads, I feel like I don't want to use them. But then we had a sheet from Clever Gal Crafts, and so this one is in the rose gold foil, and it's just like a little half sheet of her hearts, her circle hearts. So very nice there. Then moving on to day 3, we had another 2 sheets. This one is from Creativity and Ink, and it's just foiled overlays with different quotes. So I think this is just really perfect. It's in silver. I have some other Harry Potter overlays that are in silver, so I think those will all go really nicely together. But I love that. And then we have, this one is from Van Stickie. So we have her little character doing different like Hogwarts wizarding things, and then it has different, you know, scarf colors to go with whatever house you are. And then there's some cute little, like lettered stickers or sayings. And then on the other side we have just a plain wizard girl die cut, and she just has like a gray and a black scarf, so it's, you know, house neutral, so to speak. So that was day 3, and then moving on to today's, we just had 1 item in there, and it is this cute little paper clip from Lane and Alley Boutique, and it's just like a knitted gray bookmark. Very cute, just on a gold paper clip. So very nice. So now that I'm all caught up, we will get back to opening one day at a time. Okay, it is day 5 of the advent calendar, and now we have this cute little to-do list with little lightning bolts on the side. I like it because there's a lot of different lines for you to write in, although they are rather small, and I have big handwriting, so I'll just have to write smaller in them. And then we have this really cute Fox and Pip sheet, and so you have like the different girls with the Deathly Hallows sweater and a wand. And then we have some planner or book stacks with like the wand and the eyeglasses, backpacks, and then some planners. So very, very cute. So that was day 5. Okay, so for day 6, we have this really cute like washi card. So it's kind of like almost like a gift card or credit card type material, and then it's blank on the back, but you can wrap washi around it and, you know, take it with you on the go. And then it has the cute little Deathly Hallows symbol on the top. And then we have a really cute washi to go with it. It's a very skinny, kind of like, I think it'd be pretty much a header size washi, maybe a hair thinner. But it is just really pretty with these, I think they're just silver foil lightning bolts. So very cute. Okay, it is day 7 and we have this really cute shimmery paper clip from Pigtails and Pockets, but it is a Deathly Hallows little sweater, which is really adorable. Okay, and then for today we have this little decal that says Planner Addict, and then we have a couple of decals from No White Space Stickers. And so we have this first one, which is super glittery with the dough, and then we have this one that says I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good, and it has a ton of like Harry Potter type deco smushed in there in the silver foil. So very nice. Okay, for day 9 we have another one of these little like stringy bookmarks. Mine came really tangled, but I've got it mostly undone. I just have a knot here to do. But very cute with the Deathly Hallows, and then some little, you know, beads on the other end. And then we have a sheet from Scribble Prints Co. that has all of the Harry Potter. I would assume these are, you could use them for books or movies, except for Harry Potter and the Cursed Child would be a play technically. But very cute, and they're in the rose gold foil, and yeah, very nice. Okay, day 10 we have this Deathly Hallow washi. So similar to the one we had earlier with the little lightning bolts, just a silver foil on black, but very nice size. And then we have these really pretty like header overlays that are the Deathly Hallows in silver. Can't wait to use those, especially for like a Harry Potter week. That'd be really fun. Okay, day 11, and we have these little stamps from Studio LTE. You'd have to have the block to put them on. I don't know that you could really use them. Maybe you could, straight from the little backing, but I think they're intended to go onto like a clear stamp pad, or, you know, block, and then, you know, to use them. Very cute. I don't really use stamps, so I don't know that I'm gonna get a use out of them, but still very nice. And then I can't remember if I said Studio LTE after this one. Okay, it is the last day of the advent calendar, and we have a mini kit from Creativity and Ink. So first page we have some bill-dos and then a bunch of boxes. We have headers, a weekly tracker, and then some short checklists. And then we have a page of full boxes that have different quotes from the movies. We have 2 sets of date covers. Honestly, I probably didn't need 2 sets of date covers. You know, with a mini kit, I feel like you really can only stretch it for 1 week, but still cute. And then we have more full boxes that have quotes, and then a, you know, Deathly Hallows symbol. And then we have a weekend banner, some little weekly trackers, some deco, and functional items. So very nice. I like the colors of this kit just because it is kind of different than what I've seen with like a lot of Harry Potter kits. You know, it's always house colors pretty much, or more saturated colors. This is the first time I think I've seen it in just kind of like a girly pastel patterned pinks and stuff. But yeah, so thoughts on the advent calendar overall now that we're all done with it. I really liked it. I thought it was good. They had a lot of unique items in there. To be perfectly honest, I use a lot of stickers, and I feel like I don't really get a ton of use out of like bookmarks and things like that, you know, as much as some people do. But all in all, I really enjoyed the advent calendar. I really liked it, and so I think I'd purchase again in the future. I liked it a lot. So even though I think there's some items that I probably won't get as much use out of, all in all, it was a success for me. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll just catch you in my next video. Bye now.